Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I've been putting this off for a long time, but I finally bought one of these retractable cord reels. I am going to put it up here on the ceiling somewhere, probably between this blue car and the GTO, so I have a cord. I'm not sure if the power is going to reach, so I'm going to be opening up the box and seeing how long of a cord I have to start with. Alright, so open up the box here. Looks like it does come with a hook. So apparently this bracket is for a wall installation and this one's for a ceiling installation. According to the instructions here that I didn't open, but I read the picture. Since the cord to plug this in is fairly short, I believe what I'm going to do is I am going to hang it from the bracket that's already up there for the garage door opener, which should be just plenty strong. That's not that much weight for that cord reel, and that puts it, you know, fairly centered in the garage. So instead of using the screw hook, I went ahead and put an S hook up here, and that is unnecessarily beefy. There we go. Plug this in over here. There we go. Now I have a nice retractable cord to use out in the garage. Get another view of it here. Here's the first stall, second stall. It's above the second stall car. So it's fairly centered. It's I believe a 30-footer. So that should work really well. Be kind of nice not to have to drag the cord across the ground all the time when you need to run an extension cord. Wait till it clicks, that stops, and then run it back. There we go. And we have a really nice extension cord. I am not quite 6 foot tall, and I can reach this without no problem. I'm probably 5'10" and a half. So that's going to be very convenient. It kind of stinks that it has to be over the middle stall. But I can still reach it when that car is there. It's not that big of a deal. And then, you know, if I'm working on a project, I probably have the car out anyway. Like if I'm working on the lawnmower or whatnot. So it's just a lot more convenient than dragging these across the ground. They get filthy, they get dirty, they get stepped on, tripped on, everything else. And when you get a cord up like that, you can pull it down just as far as you need it, and then run it back up when you don't. Should be really nice. And that took all of 5 minutes to install. You can pick up an S hook from any hardware store. You probably got one laying in a drawer like I did. All right, well, I hope that's helpful to some people. I mean, it's a simple little project, but now I have a nice cord that's up off the floor. That'll reach outside easily if I need to cut something outside. I don't have to try to untangle this whole other cord that I have wrapped up over here. Just run the cord out there, boom, I'm done. That outlet will more than handle that, what that cord's gonna take. It runs a 3rd horsepower garage door opener, and you're not gonna be using both at the same time, so should be a good deal. Simple little project. I picked this thing up at Harbor Freight, not a sponsor. Hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of something maybe you can do in your garage. Thanks for following along, liking, subscribing, all that great stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.